Here is the Mars Make UPS strainer, model number 1214F. In this UPS strainer, we have provided the battery. First of all, you have to connect the battery terminal over here, and here is the UPS circuit having control circuit, battery charging circuit, main supply sensing section, charge over relays, and here the power MOSFET section. Here the LED indicators of the mains when the UPS mode, charging LED, and here is the overload display. Here is the mains for the UPS in on working, and when the main supply is not connected, you have to connect the input from the variac. This should be at minimum position. Here is the test point from TP1 to TP4 with respect to ground. First TP1 and TP2 will show the MOSFET waveform, and TP3, TP4 will the voltages which is measured on the multimeter. Here is the fault 1 to fault 4, and fault 5 should be firstly in off position. The main instruction: see the fault one by one, don't make the two faults simultaneously. Here is the current meter. When the SPDT switch on charging current, it will show the charging current. When this switch is in this side, then it will show the discharging current. Here is the output terminal for the load. When the study is over for the trainer, then remove the battery, and both the terminals should be insulated with the tape. Here I switch on the UPS, then mains is not here because variac is at minimum position, so it's on the UPS mode. Here is the discharging current and charging current. When the supply is, I increase the variac, and around 150 it will show the here around 180 to 200 it will goes into the main, and charging will start. And with the help of multimeter, here we can see the input around 206 volt, and here we have the output. We have here is the charging current. Now discharging current. The load is the optional. You have to connect the 100 watt or lamp load with this output. Switch on the lamp load. Now it is working in the mains. Now I will show you the waveforms. TP1 with respect to ground. It will come when the supply is in off condition and it is in UPS mode. Here we get the output of the MOSFET. Then TP2 same, and fault number 1 is the here we get the, now I will switch on the fault, then output will goes. The MOSFET will not work and output is not coming. And TP1, TP2 is the now TP3 Here no voltage because mains is not on. It will give you the when the mains is on, you have to make it DC, then it will give you the 5 volt DC when the main is on. When the mains is not on, the voltage is not coming. And at the TP4, here is the 12 volt. In this way, you can study the UPS. And here we have the different fault switches. Here we have the manual, all the procedure and description of the test point already shown to you. And here is the description of fault. PWM signal is cut, output to buzzer cuts down. Then no buzzer is there. Now you can listen the buzzer's voice. F3 5 volt main sensor cut down, and the main sensor supply is not coming. Here the output is not coming. Now switch on, the supply is coming. In the same way, F4 battery supply to the inverter is cut down, so that all inverter is in dead mode. When switch on, the inverter is UPS mode, and F5 the socket output is not coming, so that there is no load is working. In this way we can study the UPS trainer with this kit. Thank you.